This beautiful new Bellehurst home offers over 3,100 square feet of living space. An open and spacious floor plan with 20-foot high vaulted ceilings, with an abundance of natural light beaming through its magnificent floor-to-ceiling windows. Boasting 4 large bedrooms with large master suite. Additionally, a large ground floor bedroom, plus 3 full bathrooms. The formal dining area is open to the huge and dynamic great room. Central air conditioning, large lot, automatic sprinkler system, plus much more. Check out these award-winning schools: Emery Elementary, Buena Park Middle School and Sunny Hills High School. This home is also close to the world-famous Los Coyotes Country Club and Golf Course. Walking distance to Transportation Metrolink and is conveniently located near the Amerige Heights.